Welcome to Infoveave. Here is a quick video on how to create Infoboards using predefined templates. Infoboard templates and Infoveave streamline dashboard creation, making it easy to visualize data effectively. They allow you to quickly build Infoboards that support your data storytelling goals with minimal setup. To get started, go to the Insights module and select Create Infoboard. Next, you'll arrive at the template page, where you'll find a variety of predefined templates from different domains. If you'd like to learn more about any of these templates, just hover over this icon for a brief description. To preview a template, click on this icon. If you find a template you'd like to use, simply click Use this template. Now, give your Infoboard a unique and relevant name, then click Save. Click on Edit option. After that, add a new data source to your Infoboard by clicking Add New Source. In the menu, select Data Source and choose your preferred data source, then save your selection. Next, choose the widget you'd like to reconfigure. Head to the Configuration section to add a source, measure, and dimension for your widget. You can also add a new chart by dragging and dropping it onto your Infoboard and setting it up with your source, measure, dimensions, and grouping as needed. Then click on Customization, click on the Title option, where you can add an appropriate title to your widget. Explore additional customization options to refine your widget's appearance. Once you're satisfied, save your Infoboard and view the final result. Thank you for watching.